Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. I'm Sophie. Today we're talking about exercise, more specifically exercise in eating disorder recovery, the relationship between exercise and eating disorders. Should you be exercising in recovery? So let's get started. Hey, yo. Now before I even get into this video, right off the bat, I just want to say everyone's body is different. Everyone has a different relationship with exercise, and the most important thing to know before you do anything is to talk to your treatment team about exercise, whether or not you should be doing it, what you should be eating, how much movement you should be doing. The advice you need to follow is the advice of your treatment team. So with that being said, let's talk about how eating disorders and exercise go hand in hand. For a lot of people, excessive exercise is a symptom of their eating disorder. Exercise becomes compulsive, obsessive, and addictive. A lot of people with eating disorders, especially restrictive eating disorders, may find that they can only eat if they've exercised, or what they consume depends on the amount of activity that they've done. And exercise can be a form of purging and can become obsessive to the point where it interrupts daily activities and daily life. You may be thinking,
it's healthy for us to do activity, so why is it a problem with eating disorders?
The thing is that often it's taken to the extreme, to the point where it is unhealthy and it may cause injuries and contribute to extreme and unhealthy weight loss. A lot of the time, people with eating disorders aren't eating enough to keep up with the amount of activity that they're doing. Should you be exercising in eating disorder recovery? Again, I want to emphasize how important it is to discuss this with your treatment team because, like I said before, everyone is different. But generally, no, you should not be exercising in eating disorder recovery because of its addictive nature, and especially if you are needing to gain weight. You shouldn't be burning off the calories that you are consuming because you're trying to repair your body and you've done so much damage to your body that at this time exercise probably isn't healthy for you, especially if it was a symptom of your eating disorder. If you try to start exercising while you're in recovery and being weight restored, exercise can send you into a spiral and put you back into your eating disorder mindset. So how do you know when you should start exercising again? When is it okay to start up with movement and activity again? This is something, again, that your treatment team needs to decide. It is ultimately up to them to tell you when it is healthy for you to start incorporating movement into your day-to-day life. Generally, it should come after you've been weight restored and your weight has been stable for a certain amount of time, and your relationship with food has become more stable and healthy. You should be having somebody monitoring your activity when you first start to ease into it to make sure that you're not doing too much and that you're getting enough nutrition to keep up with the amount of movement that you're doing. Now, if you're seeing a dietitian, then they'll be able to tell you how much you should be eating to make up for your exercise, or how much you should be moving. How do you know when exercise is becoming a problem and has gone from healthy to unhealthy? If you're finding that you are exercising in secret, if people are commenting on how much you're exercising, if you start to get injuries, if you are exercising even though you're exhausted, if you are exercising to make up for what you've eaten, if you're not letting yourself eat something unless you have done a certain amount of activity. If it's getting in the way of you spending time with people or of your everyday life and day-to-day activities, if maybe you're skipping class to exercise, or you're missing out on family gatherings, or you're exercising instead of eating a meal, all of these are signs that exercise is becoming a problem and is becoming addictive and is becoming compulsive. If you're in that place in your recovery where it's not yet healthy for you to be exercising, what do you do instead? How do you resist the urge to exercise? Because when exercise has become a part of your eating disorder, you will get urges to exercise. So if you're feeling those urges to exercise, I suggest distracting yourself. Pick up a hobby that you find enjoyable instead. Maybe something creative, something you can put your energy into so that that restless energy has a place to go, so you can release it in a way that doesn't involve excessive movement and activity. Something that has worked for me a lot is drawing. That's always just been a great way for me to release all of those emotions and urges. So find something you enjoy doing that can take your mind off of your urges and your compulsion to exercise. When it is healthy for you to do so and it's been cleared by your treatment team that you can start exercising again, you don't want to start going in with it like full on. You don't want to just go right into doing like a bunch of cardio or a bunch of running. It's important that you kind of ease into it. For me, I started with doing some gentle yoga, and yoga is something I still love to do. I do yoga every day. I love it. And then just start gradually increasing it and only go up to a point that feels comfortable for you. When you're tired, when your body feels like it's had enough, then you need to listen to it and you need to stop when your body wants to stop. And make sure when you do start exercising again that you're doing it for enjoyment. Don't try to force yourself to do something that you hate. Find something that you enjoy doing and that feels good for your body. So that's all I wanted to cover today in this video. Of course, I know I've said this a few times already, but I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you're listening to your treatment team. Ask them what you should be doing. Don't leave it up to yourself to figure it out. They know right now what is best for your body, and be patient with yourself. It is hard when you're coming from a place of excessive exercise, when that has been a big part of your disorder and a big part of your life. It is so hard to go from one extreme to the other. And ultimately, for your recovery, you may need to stop exercising, and that is okay, and it's not forever. Remember to listen to your body, and when you do start again, find what feels good for you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Let us know what you want to see from us next, because we do love to hear from you, and we will see you when we see you. Bye!